Did you know that apples are one of the healthiest fruits out there, packed with vitamins and fiber? But while they're nutritious, there are a few things to watch out for. In today's video, we'll dive into the benefits, potential risks, and tips on how to get the most out of apples. And at the end, I'll share a quick apple-based recipe that's easy and delicious. Let's start with the benefits. Apples are a great source of dietary fiber, particularly a type called pectin. Pectin helps improve digestion, keeps you feeling full longer, and can even help manage blood sugar levels. Apples are also high in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps protect cells from damage. In addition to vitamin C, apples contain important antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids, which reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease. Another great thing about apples is that they're low in calories and hydrating, making them an ideal snack for those watching their weight. Studies even suggest that eating apples regularly could support weight management and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. While apples offer plenty of benefits, there are a few things to consider. One concern is pesticide residue. Apples often top the list of fruits with pesticide residues, so if possible, choose organic apples or wash them thoroughly to reduce exposure. Another issue is the sugar content. While the sugars in apples are natural, eating large quantities, especially in the form of apple juice, can lead to blood sugar spikes, especially for those managing diabetes. And finally, apple seeds contain small amounts of amygdalin, a compound that releases cyanide when digested. While you need to eat a large number of seeds for any harmful effects, it's best to avoid eating apple seeds altogether. So, how can you enjoy apples while maximizing their benefits? Here are a few simple tips. First, eat apples with the skin on. Most of the fiber and antioxidants are concentrated in the peel, so leaving it on gives you the most nutrition. Second, pair apples with a protein or healthy fat, like almond butter or cheese, to balance blood sugar and make for a more satisfying snack. Lastly, try different varieties. Different apples have unique flavor profiles and slightly different nutritional benefits. Green apples, for example, tend to have slightly less sugar than red varieties. Whether in salads, as a snack, or in baked goods, apples are incredibly versatile. In summary, apples are a nutritious and versatile fruit packed with fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They're great for digestion, immunity, and weight management, but remember to eat them in moderation, especially if you're watching your sugar intake. How do you like to enjoy your apples? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick recipe. Try a simple apple and cinnamon oatmeal. Just chop up an apple, add it to your oatmeal, sprinkle with cinnamon, and enjoy a warm, healthy breakfast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time.